If you're over 50, this might be the most important video you'll watch this week. Because getting older doesn't mean giving up your strength, it means protecting it. In just a few minutes a day, these 3 simple exercises can help you stay mobile, strong, and independent. No gym, no equipment, and no excuses. Let's jump right in. Exercise number 1, the squat. As we age, one of the biggest risks we face is losing leg strength. Squats are the answer. They work your thighs, glutes, and core, the exact muscles you need for everyday things like walking, getting up from a chair, or climbing stairs. But here's the real magic. Squats also activate hormones that help you maintain muscle and burn fat. To do it right, stand with your feet shoulder-width apart. Push your hips back like you're about to sit in a chair. Keep your chest up and your knees aligned with your toes. Drive through your heels to stand back up. Start with 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps. You'll be surprised how fast you build strength. Exercise number 2, the glute bridge. Most people don't realize how weak glutes can mess with their posture, cause back pain, and make even simple movements harder. That's why the glute bridge is so powerful. It's a low-impact way to target your hips, core, and lower back all at once. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat. Squeeze your glutes and lift your hips up until your body forms a straight line. Pause for a second at the top, then lower back down with control. Avoid arching your back, let your glutes do the work. Aim for 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps. It's gentle but extremely effective. Before we get into the last exercise, if you want to actually transform your strength and movement for real life, this channel is where you need to be. I'm here to bring you practical workouts and expert tips that build real, lasting power. No fluff, no hype. So hit subscribe and join a community focused on getting stronger, moving better, and owning every day. Alright, let's get back into the video. Exercise number 3, the bench dip. Upper body strength tends to fade quickly after 50, which makes lifting, reaching, and even standing up harder than it needs to be. Bench dips build back that lost strength, especially in your arms, shoulders, and chest. Sit on a sturdy bench or chair. Place your hands beside your hips, fingers forward. Slide forward and lower your body by bending your elbows. Push back up without locking your joints. Keep your knees bent for an easier version, or straighten your legs to make it more challenging. 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps is all it takes to make daily tasks feel easier again. You don't need hours in a gym or fancy machines to change how you age. You just need consistency and the right moves. These 3 exercises, squats, glute bridges, and bench dips, can protect your strength, boost your balance, and keep you feeling capable every single day. Start today, stay committed, and in a few short weeks you'll feel the difference. If this helped you, give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more ways to stay strong, fit, and healthy, no matter your age. See you in the next video.